So good morning, BNI. This is Tubu, your area director from BNI Mumbai Northeast region. Today we have again an amazing member. He's just 3 months into the BNI system. Okay, and name is Megha Agrawal. Megha, thank you for being here. So my first question to you, Megha, is: would you like to introduce yourself? Please share with the audience your name, your category, and what makes your product very special. If you can tell the audience, I'm sure they want to connect and start trying to give you business.
Huh. So, hi, my name is Megha Agrawal. I am in the category of premium corporate gifting. And what makes us unique? Our hampers tell your story, your intention, and your brand value through our gifts. That makes us unique.
All right. So, in when you say corporate gifting, is there a segment that you're looking at, which is something that you say I do for IT companies, for example, for their employees, or you're doing something only for a Diwali type? What is it that you do?
So, we do round the year gifting, sir. We do influencer marketing gifts. We do Diwali gifting for sure, which is a very big season for us. And we do new joinee kits as well. Now, the segment that we cater to in terms of the industry, IT and cosmetic industry are our core, which we are doing primarily. But we also are targeting automobile sector right now. So that is one segment which we are looking at for the
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. So, I want to ask you, what's you're just 3 months now, So, with your first level experience, what do you see as your vision in BNI? How far do you want to go, and do you see this platform being able to exponentially scale your business?
Absolutely. I see quite established businesses which are part of BNI, which gives us that zeal to grow to their level, which is one. I have a vision to make my brand to the top 5 gifting companies in India by next 5 years. So I'm sure BNI will be able to help me with that.
Fantastic. Okay, so you have already sponsored one member in your chapter in just 3 months. Not many are able to do that.
Huh.
How did you manage to do that much?
Uh, I have been associated, I have a extensive corporate career. So we have our connects. I have worked with hotels and real estate companies in past, have been associated with few of the women entrepreneurs as well. So yes, of course, somebody who wanted to grow is how we brought them to BNI. And yes, BNI is an amazing platform to showcase your business, to showcase growth. And that's how the person got inducted at the chapter.
So, with the little experience that you had, if you were to describe your BNI experience in, let's say, a minute, how would you describe?
Uh, BNI is all about growth. It is all about learning and it is all about networking. What I see, it polishes you to the T in terms of the networking game and bring out the referrals which can work in your favor, which gives you an assurity of your business that the referral can generate for you. And I think in today's time, referral is something which makes your life really easy by 50-60% of the conversion is already done. Rest is your product.
Absolutely right.
So I think BNI is that platform which helps us do that.
All right. You see people taking a lot of roles in BNI. What role would you like to take?
I am thinking of either a training coordinator or something in social media. We have grown our brand in social media and we have a little understanding on the same. So I think I'll be able to take up that role.
What after that?
As of now, that, and then let's see.
All right. Okay. So, the audience is looking at you, and you can. This is the opportunity for you to get into limelight and ask them what kind of connects you want to have, and if you have any dream connect, you can also put it forward to the audience here now.
So I'm looking out for a connect in LTI Mindtree into the procurement or the marketing team head, Mercedes Benz, and Netflix. These are the three connects I'm primarily looking at right now.
Awesome. Awesome. There is a member in BNI Enrich.
Okay.
His name is Girish,
Mm.
and you should get in touch with him because he works with Mercedes Benz.
Wow.
A lot of work he does. He does events and all that. I'll share his contact with you after the end of the meeting. So my last question to you, I think you already know about BNI's 7 core values. Which one is close to your heart and why?
Giver's gain.
Why?
Giver's gain is something where you first show your trust in that particular brand And when you show that trust, it is the credibility which you are putting at stake for that member. When they are able to benefit out of it, they will surely open up their referral channels for us. At present, I have not, as I said, I'm a very new member, so I have not got much out of BNI for now, but I have been able to give at least 70% of my conversion through the referrals that I'm giving. So I'm sure I'm looking at a bigger picture in future for myself as well.
Fantastic. I'm sure you're going to get some of these referrals. As a passing remark, I just want to tell you that have you heard of BNI Gold Pin?
Yes, I've heard of it.
When does one get it?
You have 5 inductions in a row.
No, it's 6 induction.
Okay.
It's not in a row. It's over a period of time. The moment you do 6 induction, you get the bill, and
Wow.
it makes you special in BNI. More people look at you. More people want to do business with you. Right. So keep going and keep your energy high. So
Thank
thank you so much, Megha, for coming here, and I'm sure the audience is going to bring a lot of business for you. We're going to showcase this on some social media, and that's going to help you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you, sir.
you. Thank you for your time.